अपस्पा थम्बजे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट न थम्बा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट न लोकथोकपा ngame सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट लोकथोक यादे स्टेट न तौरदि whereas union government अपस्पा थमजनबो दि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लोकथोक यादे अपस्पा थम्बगी पावर सी आमदि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट खता पिरमे दुबु नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न की रिओर्गनाइजेशन तौर 1972 दा अपस्पा सेमदो अगा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सु अमसुंग यूनियन गवर्नमेंट सु थम्बा या लैने बकैनो दे नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट तरी निपान थोक ट्रस्ट वाला तौरैने हानदी आसाम थाजब मेडी होई करी होई लेरंबगी मोइगी ट्रस्ट सम लेरमे दुआ हेक लुम थोर काददी कना ट्रस्ट तौक स्टेट तरेसदा अस्वा थमोया तदी मोइदा पादो नदी सेंट्रल सु पाहो फयना सेमदो रेले 1972 दा यूनियन गवर्नमेंट कैन आल्सो इंपोज अप स्पाइन अखोय मनी बुसे क्याम साथी गेम येंगो हंदकी चही थोई बसिदा थोकरेनिको 3 years मनु द क्याम सोखरगे से सेंट्रल की इन्फ्लुएंस क्याम चंगगेदा 1980 की September की तांग निपान की थमकिबा अपस्पा से for the first time in Manipur the last 3 years BJP in firing it is the union government which imposed अपस्पा in Manipur now अखोगी federal relationship से economic relationship से India every state से the state and union government के financial relationship से करीनो one of the most well known and experienced कईनो ने सरकार ना सुयाम नांगोई जब इंडिया विलिपाक्स द मोदी ने यार इगे चटप इकोनॉमिक थ्योरी इकोनॉमिक्स अफाव पाव में हम दुगा मागा थेंगाइना दना लेबदगी लेरबदुंबा we were together in the same Junuta when I was fortunate to win the election as a representative of the School of Social Sciences and the professors in a president oibane adagi pungi bane retired of kwere moide anni masu kauraga koi tauri haren iro program da so college level da Manipur ki interest nga privacy regional party na chaga su national party no oibi ya na debate achobam su yauri horen adu so koina mini parliament na Manipur da mukta tawgi style amada I would experience like aina IIT Bombay da koi college ai Pune da tamakpa matam da ai college represent tawraga chatlubada tawgiba debate aina Europe IIT Bombay da Manipur dam tab tawda style nga si udoi debate sisu hai budi mi sing se koi sai the opposition treasury se hana khandu ngang horen half an hour before the program ni moina lottery lokhalaga whether I'll speak against a topic or for the topic se decide to go in horen aluga we have created nasagi ambience su sidaka pe college or in assembly ki structure am thola ke ne mini parliament ki type ta nyamung rk and a real politician and leader I've requested him to be the speaker aluga pura horen mini assembly ki type ta sin mane last program so adumai tawdana anagi koi kaka Dr. NG Bijoy Mamangi ex-MLA VC or RIMS ki director Mamana chairman of the jury ni jury da su college ki professor nagi tamo Danavir hoy nagi koi ki university ki professor koi JNU ki su aduga MU ki oza su yauri retired judge su yauri adi debate yamna pharakpa aiga su yam toine yawmina rakpa debate koi ki Konika Khoraism moisu jury member hoibani so effort is angang sing su train toba democratic information su leoba sumai tawna sum tawraga ngasai ge khoina lok sabha da thengna gi ba experience so one of a kind uhen da bida ekhoi gi Manipur gi culture hoina ba hona hoba madugi effort ani khoina memory hoina ba ina tawriba degi MP emis kaino MLA emis kaino for example ai bo khagam de ai nyam tuin jo haijabalo executive role haipet man ba yawe MP da chumna gi legislative na pudam moina yamna chawda tawge na tawraga di oversight function haitare legislature magi yengsan ba sarkar na tawse world pithibhi pum da chana bane do India da sum chani do khoina system ji kamai operate tawge se aina legislature oiram nina aina say for example chairman aina Disa committee namlai all the central sponsor programs singse kamaina implement auri karamba program lokhat kani se district level gi da aini chairman oy duga DC na member secretary oraga all the officials of the departments le madu ritual oy to bana tab mandated nimi ge government in that the chahi na mari raksilo hairin. So I'm trying to implement adugi oversight function duna na in a village chatna kamai tauri sigi scheme je kamai chatli hospital rasi kamai tauri tarakanda ising pigi haraga piram daba moina presentation tarakanda dagi di maduri henjana aina bihan han boirang ado mali MP oraga disar committee da noin ising piram de na adu pi oina aina somoi da hai noi da punishment ye wana te khoi ngak ni lamdam si masa ngak ni correct yourself improve yourself aina moi da appeal to bone kun chatana so aina list se pair ga ine noi gi naming si nang ising phange yaw braina village to village chale to la last akoi democratic structures the legislature executive and judiciary in levini na ising piram da bodo sarkar na ke gumba response sum tarok ta wi mamim sum ta ina PIO lanu si ju hoji si ongoing case ni Manipur High Court sigi se court ne instruction um ta preview kari ge no paisa pi graga tarok te na surprisingly madugi muk lak pasi India ki mapam da MP na subai tawdi do ka controversy to ko the press ni report tawdi tawjan andagi adu no je ultimately government India na Lui Herbal Jal Jeevan Mission do se extend tawre 2028 for the loin samwaina and nga sai samau da bo ko sini oversight function nice mayam le dai MP oraga swam chatli je kari gi non and that's my job and praja singh unaraga do mayam hai MP se ngang da ya ra ngang draga su hek sauni tumin lei tum lei chatle hai ni ngang oraga सीधी कोई किशोर कुमार ऐसे ही नहीं तुम पंजाब तो कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना छोड़ो बेकार की बातें दुनिया में आई तो सुनता हुआ अलग कोई स्टैंडिंग कमिटी फॉर एग्जांपल वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल बॉडी ने तो मोदी सरकार से दी स्टैंडिंग कमिटी का ऐसे पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम से यम सो आई एज ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ सोशल साइंस चाहे ताऊ की मबांगदा डिसर्टेशन में कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी के PhD on the changing nature of Indian parliamentary composition and the thesis sama. Adu pakan da soina examination ki tharakpa. Adu ki paraga koi ki faculty Rajiv Varga bai namle. Maga ka sungwai saba thesis pa. Khongi ai di usi manung da changa ga mu ure. Ngasai larik ta u gi ba composition Nehru oi ngai da di sinwa gi Friday da anu wasima hangdo pudu mai na ngai nei haine parliamentary session je. Nehru nangang ba dagi Bajpai nangang je tadaugi speaker nangang ba hujikis na lilam ni ai ni yaujari ba very August house gi manung je tai sai sit hive zango yaure it's a very different world you learn it very quickly kamai ngang gani mean a district or ko da kamai ngang ni mayam daga ai nang law ga ngang is manung dai khakta na te law ba sidagi ti na law ba maming pan ge tawre sin tinamul ge sathi ba nam julai Mani noi na du tauraga di ay nangi situ da pangge na mi treasury bench na sa mayam phanar ni sakin on noi na ruling taw hai ta de noi ki chauki da pangge law ka en taw taw si yong nei ba ade mayam hogalaga phamu noi ka la phamu ga law si taw nei ba du ma distraction techniques yam tak le ahan sing any hen tu hange akoi gi 7-8 times go ko yawi ai de changa hange ba si kamai to no so I learn from them I want the district of see meaning any home period to the Moy don't want to come late them on Matamang and Wing and Ngang now. Kitan Kangle voice any hand allow Sen Bize. I don't know. Standing committee say, young powerful in a senior Nehrugi Matam. For example, Parliament introduced our bill say 80% more than that, say, standing committee, the Hana Nainaraba Matum, the house to introduce our Mevahana. The system say. Hujikti 10% padre ba bill je standing committee the lakpas naina da with the direct at the floor of thokani kevin in a lower adusu many of them without discussion da pass hanak mukta dem ke am tin tawro discussion chungtaw taw da with the law me am pass to in anak pa subversion aduna ne koi ge Rahul ji na hairak pa da Rahul Gandhi ne haidana safe samvidhan se bai se kaino the constitutional kaino scheme je Pazana Tugaira. Although, would you go Krakadidum Tori, standing committee in Omni, Mone Pirapa recommendations, Sakana, Muk, action taken report, and a Pirakani, a queen recommend or anoint Tauridoka, the way not of the Shikano, only in the Wineva. So standing committee sunan luckily one of the journalists reminded I dekoi Manipur msa sing khangbira moi do mamba bimol ke do lei kai na ahum yaw recommendation on the floor of the house including IDP related ama yaw standing committee na recommendation Manipur yo be specific recommendation period is sarkar na kai do ki khamukhini the standing committee the ngang na riba debate on na riba yet na riba pung manga taro ayuk tai phamak to nungdang bo laung na riba kay kana naitong taba anigi part committee su ruling neta masing yami moi proportional hapak panina Manipur gi tawbada ko ne sida ista ngangna bada yelak pada moi da overall India ge systems da ko is periphery oi bagi wari even na ko ye party marakta su moi ne uri view so ko na ko ni wazawar ko na khang ya baside moi gi mindset ta kari le adu so tum sigi framing journalist mauta unare national moigi frame of mind mayam di karan thapar angang da in tambi bane ai group jita yeba karan thapar interview do noina uri do di du gaktani the war began 3 days mamang de horam ne na mana professor nang hang bu question kar tharo ka hai ai tha da ba he keeps on pressing ai technique ne basi aina hanganing ba question ase aigi kok se mang khangna hona reine ba kaido wena man si hanganing ise sumai hai da baduna recording 10:30 to do 8:30 da mu to me even that day night to ame ba nong waling so aina as thabak che man gi to ni nang waru ya de mai to ena last I said 3:55 hang ona issue mu sumai leibani na adu ma within half an hour my staff to ya me within half an hour phone to Hey, Professor Nang Haidu Chumi, RTA Thai 355 late in Kumiadu Nadilay Hairaga. Arena, there is a problem with that. Aina Aduba is so by Sequozo Zasunil. Interpretation of Kobu Kangam Deva, Aina Karan Tapa, the Kumamiva, and Sadus Aran Manev. I call over Mayam, so Nangavagi influence the OOO, Adu Ramanina. Aina Karan Tapa, the Kumiba, 355 K nature to Lale. We read more. Adugi interview matung na so nganga rakpadai di Constituent Assembly ki debate ki Supreme Court ki judgment urakan som paba urakan na ne na kangai se that 355 as a executive order thoga imposed away aba article na this. It was only an ethical and legal premise for 356 never. 356 the way anana ba tawramba pot never. Adagi amana law and order say federal structure and state subject to Hapsan Gravnina, moral implication of Pishal Lambagi Waneva, but 355 say, hey, come it will turn into 356, not like 352, I never had, and the Kulayam is again executive one candidate. So it was only a moral and legal premise. Not the 356 Indian constitution, the challenge that we have, 355 Ledamdradi. Okay, the state key administration in Paisan Bayar in government, law and orders. So, president rule can be unconstitutional. Adu the problem the tholakane na Constituent Assembly the Khana Rakanda Moina. I an example the 366 and introduced over. Hayeng mean a yelakare na kaino the state in law and order since autonomous area or Ivanina. President rule the minor legally justified to do question tholapane. Adu itaga the moral and legal obligation nama Thanambagi 1 ever 355. So aduga se kona para sungkhang pane adu ne mam li kai do ri haiba serious legislature moigi di pire iba report gi hujik su professor ne na UGC thupchan na ba ekam hujik lai pura higher education is going to be changed controversial area aduna select committee thadare I was nominated akoi mi kuntrama thoi committee ni naina rona thadare ni monsoon session na ba thaga ga adugi member we hapsale aduna university chatna the expert kaudana people gi stakeholders singe gona ta dana to it's a tough work mayam MPO ke do lege sana yumdana oversight function tawna ba khun chatpa adu su MLA ge de ta 1200 petrol phangi tha khudinge adu 32 constituency chatliba ai gi dadi zero ne isang pathok sai Yang po wall of never ma'am na bimong kay the wiki mo tawag ito na national media ki access later gangang ba arigi liang may doy ki kendro so Manipur gini ano mo ito ngang so ay vision do dum hay duni commonality thiga da bani narcissism of the small difference tawag na ko isa som kai na later So I na sum ngang utabi yo I na ngasi bo speech pirak padasu akoi party ki vote khom badana ta nai di cultural shifts neba public issue base isu koira ibu khangwi bo kangmon mudi khangmoni PCRM na koina 2011 de launch taw in people's campaign for resurgent Manipur 3 assembly che chai dana khulak ta chatna oza oira so ima ke thel taw 2012 2017 2022 akoi ki team ma dum taw lai ne ma do live khadna aina pamjaba election style da aina ka khoina ka gre ma now the point is akhoina ka gi mamang election du yaro English sahaya the flash in the pan na nga ki tandan gi piklong ka ma tok du yaro real change we need to produce that again and again culture mo hen mam change ba culture ji hom ya ba ne ayam ga lizer ba oiro yaro chi na ta honna bam change ba leader sing na zo madu gi set tong lo honna ga da ne ba isam cham example ani ma pisa ge ba Julius Ribeiro ina police commissioner am le me Bombay ana bus singai ba sida da koi Delhi da koi na like taming ai da hamai pai da sum tong ya ba Delhi gi DTC bus ko ge honorable ge no so ex MLA ge no so ra ta no so sumai na lep ka dil ware bus manunga ta ning sang ngong ne bus manunga bu sang de kai pai da su DTC bus dum lepe ba gari ina ba sana adu mai na Bombay se to ka Bombay cha ka na tawram da ba ni queue lepe du ga head seat full ho gi ba lefan de ba gari se thau gi ba I know especially the Mumbai culture kari oil Julius Ribeiro na commissioner oiling the college students in the NSS group ka NCC ga tawraga force tawba discipline sum taw wan khal ga chai amani tawraga da di ngasai tam sum lokthok ki wa ka da maton do kan wo jagra public sing mong le ga queue to ga to ai kai gi no ai ka da masala le khang ne ba khoi mani pu da na la sum ya ba gi habit adu gi ma ta mo oiro ya rois another quick round in the high never. Matangi bought the biggest challenge BJP Kamai mighty and Kalagati Yaroi. You have mistaken an India blocking meeting the Manang, viral chat music, 9 minutes. Please listen to Rahul Gandhi's speech for 9 minutes. I quit many put the Amtin Chane with them. Bochi Kamai Kaga the gain of what Paduna Mamang Taragadi, historical responsibility, a queen labor, Mamai Chum, the Usingamoy. Rahul Nahai resistance to the Congress party said 1927 they might a party we are not political parties. We were a resistance movement. State key structures na karim ta support of the fight over the ngasi suma na entire state machinery sing the BJP na lo use up tawre ECI the police the ED the media including social media the Kanam tanu prime minister the question ngam moi haino ka mai chai nang purse pura ang leiraba media ni adu mai se state na support tawraga vote to normal gi constitution makha da tawdong low leirga di BJP mai thiba supi pi ngam moi we already won people je moi yaning de khangabune but hanjan moi na vote tawri sa kari gi no da you must realize vote te khoin olun karabune man haris election te khoin karabune is stolen because of this old system. Resistance movement and resist Indian constitution was Chatna Handavida, Savana Sagi, Dizzy Hapusu Adida, Mayam Sum Lady Salmilaga Kaure, Upspa Kaus, Ganomizer gave. Upspa Tamazi state government at Tamba, state government at Lokopongam, central government Lokoga, the state authority. Whereas union government Aspa Tamjanbo, the state government local gadi. Aspa Tambagi power see the state government at the pyramid no recently reorganization of 1972 Aspa is Siamdo Aga. State government union government is Tamaya never came to the notice the state Taripan to trust Walatori never. Hanadi Assam Tazava. Medi hoi kari hoi leram bagi moigi trust some leram edua heglum thoka da di kana trust out the state resda aswa thamoya da di moi da padu na di central super ho na semdo re 1972 da union government can also impose up spine akoi mani buse ke am sati game yeng yo handa ki chahi thoi buse da thokre ni ko 3 years manu da ke am sokra ge je central gi influence ke am chang ge da 1980 ki September ki tang nipan da gi thamakhiba aspa se for the first time in Manipur, the last 3 years BJP in appearing it is the union government which imposed APSPA in Manipur now. Hujik Manipur government lokthok ngam Pawi Bobi Paring the lokthok do is because AFSPA was then imposed by the government of Manipur. So Manipur government has the executive power to withdraw. Hujikti Yararoeva. Nagaland and Kashmir that they say union government thambane. Adunani union government thambanina Assam and Nagaland ki assembly na AFSPA lokthok piu and resolution lauga union government thaido. I quote that this article of the Maming the Panjaro MLA Mana Pukalay 2017 da. Thambana koi government thammaga koi assembly the resolution maroga Manipur ki AFSPA lokthok na union government ukta hai sen. Thammi de koi government thamsare ne. Adu handak entrance of central influence. Now from 1980 dagi thamamba AFSPA do in the last 2 years middle door ngodong male. First time Twitter da Amit Shah haire so and so police station du tawrane na khudak ta khoi gi anga mathau Manipur na thagat chari Amit Shah ji nang na jo nonga laga reverse time ge type ta resolution loguna state cabinet level which was already in media the night before evening before the union government has decided to do this on AFSPA in Hairaga resolution order thokuna cabinet decision and state government reverse time level. Police ki chief se loen order ai hanjan na hajaram se nobody talks about it. Strange koi Manipur. DG ma khanbai se nangi Prakash Singh versus Union of India in 2006 ki Supreme Court judgment su leiram neba. State ki domain orega su top sing city IPS ni all India service na center su khara collaborative ne yaw bo yabra hai bagi issue ma la ko matam sida ultimately decision the state government logodam de sini Supreme Court na hai reise adu eta di collaborative combine taw ya kan Supreme Court instruction pe reise state government na panel of IPS officer ma han thagalo DG obe abama adu UPSC na thagalai ba panel du dagi moina khwaidagi competent oiba ahum ma khalakani UPSC na khali ba ahum damu state government na thagara kan ahum du dagi state government na amada DG hapwai na Supreme Court ki directives yaure ne was ki 2006 ki Prakash Singh versus Union of India case. Ako na kamay tawe. Mamang suni irang tungi da jun ki tang mari da taruk tani 2023 da Rajiv Hapcha laiba chief secretary sinjal ito. This is completely against Indian constitution never. Order to ko deko state government hong ne legally. It is unacceptable never. Ado halak su tawra AC muna. Union government na law to all over India the union government has decided to appoint so and tawra in. Order to ko na kanan to ako government na nungala to ever. Hujai ati ai thagen tawri no ham panel kana thaga ki si ai khatam thasum taw yaro bas conscious of public ne taw dam ne no ki panel thaga ki bra panel du hum kana khalai gai sigi pose public ki consciousness yaw dana Manipur hongoi aduna nai nai je bimol se moina hero ki type to lai hajan jan remind taw je ne bimol is only a teacher. He just happened to win an election and hold a public office. I am not a hero. I am not Irabo's incarnation. Kal figure the yaro say many mamang gay any visualize of it. Miam gi awareness ni kari go vote su miam na kai hide ni. I hate board ki file to thola the press as well many itona ni yaro say in a nomination file to gi to yung video that on the staircase of DC office. I said ai khatana yaro vote ka ni mito so hate thola ko press conference ta koi gi kendi yawe adugi recording I say I tonana tawba yaroi. I keep on reminding this. In many places I said I am not hero, I am not God, I am simply a teacher but very passionate about my land. Adudi khangeva. Everybody knows I got close orakpa I gi satra dagi iman of de khangeva. I am trying my best. I gi office pai dugi responsibility khatane me tawno hona chai. Adudagi influence on the wangang boda psychology season gadi short memory lebna ine lintoi ngambina samaina mami den kalamba photo do pari ngo da koi di speech na mi bong noksal ina ina pak la na nokira kan sida nokda wana ten tumam da ge yengoi sa koi na film direction taw da ngasi su by the way ai gi cinema ma ai se cinema taw khangba pawung samoi su la ko de ai gi Manipur da premiere taw da bai gi cinema mo ji ka ko do ni sigi mathang da a short fiction which was premiered in Kodakamal International Film Festival in Kerala. Aina akhoi simata wumatam da so akhoi direction people the actor guys in imagine na don aina ni lintoi ni bangang gi phane kamai chingthong ngani masam kamai furung ngani masa kamai no otlam ngani kamai ka am ngani do namet tu bung ngam reng phau bung ngam reng wais adu kana noi lising tara pi ge no vote taw na riba vote in the Chenari Mayamdo, Adugi transformative moment, filter the Yarabado, Aikatan Sunang and Nautara. So everybody has to remind. Let's let us remind of Changeva. What is short memory? I can't go to social science memory is a tact in the later. Short memory in the public, but how to sustain that memory, how to make it so that people say, come on, we cannot be status quo. That's true, but as a leader, we have to make people understand things. Madhuneva leader roles. I think leaders say, politician, there are intellectual leadership, there is civil society leadership, different kinds of politicians. Whoever you always say, politics is vocation. I know so talk to me. Who's it experience or what he wrote? The man I remember. Manakay the Akoigumas in a 24/7 like decision making the is in a man, a professional politician. 24/7 a coin college. Most of us have heard Surat Kai Chakani Adu Hakane Koidana, do Yaudri Republics. Adu in democracy, citizen Loina Maxemanake, the occasional politician. He terms the civilians as an occasional politician. Labor decision making the Moya, Kari form the number one vote, they have a chance to decide. Decision making process of how we govern. Second, protest. This is also part of politics. It's a part of me thought process. Is political act. Especially because someone never tell. I don't know quality I feeling that the television discussion but I have never criticized. What can a public speaker say? We'll see what is the type of society. Quality nature of the basic television discussions in window. They are the index of our society. Face is the index of our mind. Manipur psyche, culture, television discussion. Nature of debate quality of debate and you watch national debate respectable Republican the different kind of culture US USA Fox TV style tradition you see what kind of culture is that society TV editorial news this is a part of our collective life political process editorial even a news political party they're so scared people are so scared of the government I don't know to where is the TMC to where is it so before 2019 2/3 election one nation Aduni Mamang the Charsuba, Adu Fanga Wanamada, Miam Gantara, Taki Bade, Hohin music. And the music was a by hook or crook 2/3 year about 29 years in the amount. They know that 29 they will lose. Modi is getting old and waiting aside to resentment Aduki moment to the never Rahul Gandhi. Now it's the time for us to take the mode. Haiman, he used the word MOD, the resistance mode. Every morning you get up, you should think that I must resist one of these things that I am resisting today, what I will do. See, resistance motor come the election is not normal. The money put us so Ima Lepa Kutuai Kalaiba, full Indian constitution do Sabana Sage right to life, so not the freedom movement, so not the constitutional division of competency between union government center so not the Sida Koina. Cylinder the 3,000 rupees Taraga, I don't lay the Ainana. I style, this song gun, Chowing took that. I have Manu young from the Manu man, back, or Chari, Manu man, don't think you. Cousin the boundary, Manunda. I'm an oak, my ama, shoot, Zabalan Pirini. Mojuna Kanaton be landing in a warang and rally to an ambigi, was a whole cheap hungry warang Moida. Will they bother? No. Sabakanda, and the Federal government, no Pakada, the Queen, Kari Kennedy gave away lives. And that is exactly what Larik Tamil, like Nange Hakani. Go back to Aristotle. Why did he say man is a political animal? Sani ko jaini. Tumdra this sini, nusa this sini, chada this sini, other mine. Chapmane biological being, of course, animal ni hain manas. Zoi hai man Greek maron. Sani ko so. But we have an additional quality. Ato pasaga mana dabam yohade. We are capable of speaking and thinking. Aduna ko di. Qualified life am lay hai apha phata achum aran phazaba athiba hai bama khoi kok te yawriba that part to rule man political life is a zone politicon hai na man mi ba mo di siyaw la di saga chap man den ba so we are animal at one level because jui ge quality yawe koi da char di sini nungsa so hondo sini so we are animal kingdom ge pani but we are different from them. That we have this qualified life. I am English to translate with the world. We are a gregarious, we are an animal career. Group the labor, mini guide. That was not what Aristotle said. Adugi false interpreters. Aduna 13th century the Thomas Aquinas. Aduna Greek the Gihandok the mana social engine give mana. Man is a social and political animal. The social dominance, kasi na political theory sakre. The social is the emergence of social guy. I think it's doki baywani. Man Aristotle having a qualified life to live. Ani masai I know o ka kanuga pirate. Nangi chapa thakpa so from to the new benate. We have chanapatha, morality, afafata, sigi sensitivity. Never come new by Saduna. I call say. Tha ige pizza raga center da kan da ang lakna bi ai percentage ka au bi lambi makta thare Manipur is like this as a social science student ha lai ure wajinga moment sang kan da madu kamai chum thoka da ge ne ba thought ke level this is revolutionary technique gram si le revolution je khulai na tar ga phugai na ga to bu gi part na mana war of maneuver ka amana mana war of position in the thought process thugai na bo na khalli bo wakans Sini ako de so Manipur so mayam khangmirang ngani 1960 si iho ma lakku matam da ngasi pau sham la ka artist ira bu su tawro me tu isai da jagoi da drama da wakal lon hana da gi asoi bu sum thona bana corruption exposed to na lamyan ba gain phong na da gi resistance gain phong na tawri that thought to war to yaw da di man hairam ji gram sina namat daga leba society is force physical force the number the nate kok the khallo resist taw ya da ba tai people the man dum accept or normalize or leba kokta amaleri madu ki kok to chugai da the revolution taw ya ro ene ne ba mana revolutionary technique the man war of position and war of maneuver is in war of maneuver physical action tawri me kap that na ba army tawra land tawra amna war of position the thought ki level da na any revolutionary movement da nang khabar phongba cinema number drama taw tawna ka ne Manipur su thingla ba wane ba ko gi makeup tholak pa matam da adu akhoi da ngasi thought che changre everything normalized charaga ngang lak na le re so aduna ai se kitang tin ngangi taw ne du that is the occasion akhoi ni ngasi celebrate ai se bimol na mana anirak surat pagi MP oi pagi wana du di opportunity to remind ourselves mani kanoda aini MP in India Parliament the wasak lobung ngamge do atai gi nateba somehow miracle kaugera circumstances kaugera people seem to have woken up mikap thol mamit pangakna yade na kaptatna namna meeting taw loi phugai da ahin nahin da lakna BJP da thado oina mare pak ning bagi uniform chele haibu mayam la ambagi viral video lai ba mayam dui marakta miyam ne yade haibu mikap thol padadi power phang pai su India government oisu ngasi Manipur gi pikraba khunai sina wakal lon thorok pa matam da government of India cannot suppress Manipur even if it is a small state. That's the power of people. Aduna koina people's voice and people's resistance when they celebrate Togodavani and Aduna. I think angang the Toholipat debate ki topic financial relation the expert from outside Kauraga Coin Tauser is Aduna. Sini Saurana Koina say so every year a Sigi movement set Tauraga Koitau and the Kanja du Boy the Heisening Masa. In democracy, I go we go get relationship time. Money put the Chinang with the Ampazin. I have a Tadok say Kayang Navani. I koi Heisekaina. That is called platitude. Number one, change lakada memang kau the moral agency kau ni. I take responsibility for myself. I know low decision say I take the full consequence of that. If you harm me, it's because of my act. That's what any revolutionary textbook they young be over. This is called moral agency. Aduna ni leader of this mind left kairaga luta luto ay le privilege chaklo maning haloi le me. King Leonidas military gi school of Zipokta is 480, the Battle of Thermopylae. Lakhs of soldiers laga surrender to no the kingship Greek ke hai bada come and take my weapon. Hairaga 300 Spartan lit tawraga 700 other Greek men the thingainari. Lakhs of soldiers. Kuzi problem military school la tai. Akoi mo ni pude so du maina aina I badi cover sum iri chai kuntrang sulam ngai memna pa ba su thinga bi ngani ko aina khongjom lal hairaga the Battle of Thermopylae for Manipur any evening. I was a khongjom land the supauna aina ngangsen na dialogue na te sin chai tharol kumbaba makoi gi maruna di yaure akoi gi maruna di yaudra akoi loin sirani aduga maning halaga chembadi phate ai su maning su halaroi tawuda bu thong pangthok si hairamaga nake hara thang pairaga chensen ki na chai tharol kumbaba da iri neba sini khang no resist story neba aduna bu khoi da masi inspiration to is neba so Leonidas fought for not for today man ani to me immediate I see the thing Greek mayam to southern Mediterranean the loy hong do loy tugairani Athens gado that resistance ki time organize matung na mo resistance defeat to him cheloina nasi na second na historian sing hai se he fought for the future Greek nasi bo Leonidas ki spirit na neba Greek soldiers sing na mukhaira ga sum tawnga mais including Alexander the Great sige posineba aduna ipu paunan torombido it's not gone nateba akhoi memory the sigi spirit se levom the aduna yararoi oroi ba thadoksi anu womani purakna bohona si each one of us I take responsibility I ge kolum na loin thada ga son te pesa sunglo lo no anga wai ga wai roi to ina lepan ang gadam ne that's called I the moral agency. Second na madugi I do not cooperate with others hai kana ne ba we tholai sa khoi de di khon gi wani I ngakani akhoi hari ba kangusu Tika khar fangnaba achobda nappaga karba khar taunaba public issue da yoksal laga tawbagi pot yam yawbo we di chum haira kana toire ne khoida we haira ga haijen na bai wali yum sabada ai nai jai sini leirak ka thangna bi ngon sa foot ama thado onga heng si lembi ge mayam nungai na bana sukan kalloi ai ge pata da yawbo khomban do boga ai ge pillar hawa du ka thu ising da abdu lekai ge khomban ta lo ai ga da bam kambu gi mentality su yam yawri ne ba khoida aduna kai de win Ingon yum sa ning yang ko inchi mari manga da khuna na thang chana ge to bu yauni Manipur I know official number one of the most akho khang the society is camp factor machin manau lam gi khanna bu wa is one of the highest litigation that our district officers are facing in Manipur ingo sindar kai da bani imama mapa machin on khang tin la ka sigai da bu gi chana na bu gi to se we need to change this adugi se leader na lo lo ga da bu na leader da dimagi I have the moral agency ki qualities hena yaw ga da bani ba mo da Meaning that aduni Mahatma Gandhi na which was the nation. Violence is a talk matam no violence will share Mama tuna 19 tar lepini. The Congress party backed down on his stand. Aduni moral character of a leader is. Adu mind of the na langi responsibility own to eduga cooperative point sakada baneba. We have a equal of the same boy the baneba. I now the mag self interest no koi do no dugi I koi do the takality ba koi. Madu mathok tadi asing mai khoi du cooperative aduna mi na ngam to be bhaya kani wangam du mana hai se kai hai no na tasan ma mang kani nei nar kanda ozana hai je si da soire akoi ozan hai si yaning na kana su bunda to ma self flex to roi asing ba Manipur bu khangba ma di alam da kari ngangani ngangai go wasan kari no khangari ni aina ngang is da kari asoria wi arab ya is duga chumme khang khang na aran ba ta hana be ta law da na khot na threaten da ga na to mi ge khoi gi Name the law high bro. Airport to get pick up the high bro. Fugai high bro. Some to ulao. Kauraga Kupang Karata. That is not going to save Manipur. Adu the Mahiki Manuni. It's a parasite inside the body of Manipur. थुगारकदे मनुबगी मपानगी थिंगना मोइदोना अदुना सिगी ज्ञान ताबम चंगे अदुना अखोइना ngasi function तौजे चाइनि we and I gi khenaba khangbiu chindana akhoi akhoi haraga I ha kono I gi moral responsibility lobiu khumpa on chasagesumo ai aroba sigi wari je nganang dalira mamdum tamjege BJP da yawe hai nupa ma ko pa tanjo ma gi mi worker ge loin thade ye BJP da bang vota moi amani di thajade imung manungi imung amani kai no haraga masanu pina kappaga phone tawri hai ozada thadoi confession hardcore worker ina party ki support tawe chamaga kumamu mai worker thade aduga masa thada bangam dena masanu pin kapakpa that's individual it counts ngasagi koina lama lisim tara helido adu ma individual decision mayam yarok pade gi ne ba koin kar adu masigi revolution ma hausi नत्रगदिना ओजाबिमोल हायर लाई ओललगा सिदैज लई कटलगा दगी थागलगा तोखन केम कानरोय we need change in Manipur na lagebe election sita muna khangbiu leirimo freedom se kadai de se muna na ne Congress party gona sum taina le ri yaroi here now akai ipai pu na soram bai gi baba na soram mane na I do the thabira madi ai tawuji mathau ta de bimol is bimol whatever ai strength and ai weakness ai music le pis na ipai pu ta na ya ponte idona do tawira madi baba na do tawira mine na sum mani wa thiraga di ai own responsibility do losan na bo honora ine so the government of the day past ki mistake British matam dagi ni Congress matam dagi asoiba mayam lagi mayam do ai ni ngasi sarkar pari nge di ai ki responsibility ni to change to face that challenge and lobogi mauta no ane mita bo Congress na you are only absorbing your responsibility nasagi responsibility lobonga mataba de here and now the sakha pai mamang the swim kamai to ni tungi kamai yalang de se semang gi dabane ba ngasi se Manipur the history da mukta talk the people da ba kangbu se ai gi mom tu ne warak khau ba then ke do angang sa so ji sum nawang aga sum tho og sum sobian jala kane adu the moment to ni BJP ki de yaw mi dai personal enmity leite I am talking about the system a moral conduct akoina tawun to profirem ni ase ek thagal bana to makhoi ge maikhong bo ga thola pa kangbu bo bo masak khangla da bani adunu ma je hep that program about we are testing I don't care kanana majority pai bi akoina pai ni pai no da sphere influence tawing ma thabak mayam se tawang ba aina pamjari ba se akoi ge sarkar sem na ba akoi hona gani that's political war that is politics adu miyam khangla da shi ha na politics tawena politics no yaw ga ni man is a political animal haiduna aduna masigi asoi bese sum thoboge khoina lan ma mi sida award pisan na leibida gi kairak pergi adi gam idu nyan usilaktre se kaino da sarkar ne biya khangde moi sidi leibe ya banga tene khalak padadi akhoi dum toina aduna madu kitang sum thoge de la election sida su ya de na no ya soi bese no gi madu gi phangbam to price chit phangbam to ese miyam punna hotna mina ba machangi madu hotna bada khoi gi Congress party na flag bi aro ga madu gi ward ro changchang na ba khoi hotna jagani aduna masi haijar ga anuba Manipur Imale Pama Lang na puna mag hona min sa haiba sigai lotion jare thank you